Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a quick video because I'm running late. I have to get to work soon so that way I can get out of there early so I can come home and do other work things related to my channels. But I wanted to just do a quick little update. I am hitting pan on a couple of items really soon and I wanted to just use the last of these products on cam. So I've really had a goal of hitting pan on a lot of my beauty skincare items because I've been wanting to change out some of these things. I felt like I had too many. I didn't know what was working for me and I really wanted to just use them up so that way I could be really mindful about what I'm incorporating into my beauty regimen and really get an understanding of whether or not something's working for me rather than buying a million things that have all these promises and never knowing if it is actually delivering on what it says it will. This is upside down, I know, because I have it draining into... Okay, so here's our first product. And I have to keep it upside down because I have the last little bits draining into the top of the dropper because some of these items are thick and I just can't get to it unless I turn it upside down. The level was too low for the dropper to get. This is a wonder serum I got on Amazon. I have no idea if it worked. It promises skin repair, anti-wrinkle, and scar healing, and I feel like my skin has improved, especially from the trauma of earlier this year, but I don't know if it worked. I don't know if it did any of those things. Our next item is from The Body Shop. I should know this. I really like Body Shop products. They really help me manage my acne. It says Drops of Youth. This one I kind of feel like, because I did use this without using a bunch of other things like at the same time, and I really don't feel like I got anything out of this. I feel like this was like snake oil. So I'm just like getting the last bit off the dropper and I'm going to apply it to my face. Now I still have like a lotion for this one. I'm going to continue to use that until it's done, obviously. That's like my goal. This last bottle is just, the label is wrecked. This is True Skin, also from Amazon, and it's a tea tree clear skin serum. This one I will say, I think it was doing something because I really felt the tea tree active ingredients. Like, if I exfoliate and I put this one on, shit burns. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my review channel, Pursuit of Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Saturdays. We do a lot of cool things, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pursuit of Brilliance. Catch you on the flip side. So next up we have this Ageless Cream from Image, which I got from my esthetician. And look at that. I know it's so bright in here you can barely see. I just have to take my word for it. It is almost done and I have to like knuckle scrape the last bits out of this because my nails just won't let my fingers really get in there. And I'm not really putting these on the appropriate order. Like some of these things are thicker, so you are supposed to put them on in a particular order so that way it's able to sink into the skin appropriately. And the final thing I'm going to use is this UV broad spectrum SPF 46. What is this? Like facial sunscreen. Goodness, I don't know why I couldn't say that. This one I actually really like, and I don't know if I'll be able to get any more out of this one because it really is almost done, or is done. You can't see through the bottle. Nothing's coming out. All right, well, I guess that one's done. So that's 5 products that are done. I actually have 2 more products. One is like a facial scrub in my shower. I threw it in the bathroom garbage already and I really don't feel like digging it out. So it's a Body Tree. It's a Body Shop product from the same tea tree line as like this. It's like a daily facial scrub. That one's done and I threw that one away. And then my last item is another another Image product from the Illumina line, and my phone is being propped up on it right now. It's similar to this It is a serum for brightening my skin to help correct some of the acne scarring. So that is 7 products that I finished today, which I'm really excited about. I guess 6 that I finished today. This one apparently was already done. So I'm really excited about that. That just leaves me with a small amount of Image and Body Shop products to go through. And then I'll be looking at overhauling my skincare routine with some products that I purchased a little ways back that are from a luxury line, and I'm curious as to if those work. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I wanted to do some makeup today, but I'm running late. I am a working gal, and I really just have to get going. So I don't really have the luxury of doing another full video, but I did want to just like pop in and do a quick little update on the Project Pan effort. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Yay, we recorded some shit.